Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q3 tire, updated. Start by parking on level ground, apply the parking brake, and set wheel chocks. Find the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench in the cargo area. Loosen the wheel bolts slightly before lifting the car. Raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground, remove bolts fully, and swap the tire. Tighten bolts in a star pattern and lower the car gently. Begin removing the wheel by loosening lug nuts while the car is stable and grounded. Place the jack under the correct jacking point near the wheel to avoid damage. Lift the car until the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Fully remove lug nuts and set them aside in a safe spot. Pull the wheel straight off the hub, taking care not to strain your back or drop the wheel. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and save messy cleanups when you change a tire on the go. They are great for storing snacks, bolts, or a sandwich between stops. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fit the spare wheel by aligning it with the hub and sliding it onto the studs. Hand thread each lug nut to prevent cross-threading, then snug them in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle until the tire contacts the ground, then torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification. Stow the removed wheel and tools securely and check tire pressure on the spare. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.